Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. EUR USD ripe for a pullback into trendline support. ntvforex.com news ID 0893C0 3 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. EUR USD has ended on Wall Street printing a fresh daily high, although lacking conviction. NBSP. The euro has been a head-turner of late, taking on the bears at monthly trendline resistance while the USD weakens NBSP against most of its peers. At the time of writing, EUR USD is trading at 1.1872 within the day's range of 1.1828 and 1.1881. The risks are skewed in the bear's favor from both the NBSP technical and fundamental standpoint, as market sentiment remains fragile due to EU travel restrictions and relations between the US and China. The pair has reached a charting area that could well call for a phase of consolidation NBSP and a retest of downside structure, as illustrated below. NBSP. Meanwhile, European and US stocks, which correlate to the risk-on factor of the euro, got off to a sluggish start despite the bid in Asian bourses following Chinese liquidity injection by the PBOC to support money markets and credit growth. Elsewhere, the focus has been on fiscal negotiations, which have stalled, as well as the NBSP tensions between the US and China, considering more restrictions on Hawaii announced by the US. Should stock markets give out on the various risks, then the euro would come under pressure on a week where the Eurozone offers key data. We have investor sentiment data for August, July Eurozone industrial production and the first revision to some of the 2Q20 GDP data, whereby the V-shaped narrative could come under scrutiny again. Federal Reserve speakers and the Federal Open Market Committee minutes are lined up from where traders could gather some NBSP insight. NBSP into the average inflation target debate. EUR USD levels the single unit is through a trendline resistance which could allure bears to test the commitments of the bulls at this juncture. The following daily chart shows the prospects of a bearish head and shoulders in the making, a typical reversal pattern following meaningful impulses. EUR USD overview today: last price 1.1871, today daily change 0.0029, today daily change percent 0.24, today daily open 1.1842, NBSP trends daily SMA 20 1.1735, daily SMA 50 1.1468, daily SMA 100 1.1199, daily SMA 200 1.1124, NBSP levels: previous daily high 1.185, previous daily low 1.1782, previous weekly high 1.1864, previous weekly low 1.1711, previous monthly high January 1909, previous monthly low 1.1185, daily Fibonacci 38.2%, 1.1824, daily Fibonacci 61.8%, 1.1808, daily pivot point S1 1.1799, daily pivot point S2 1.1756. Daily pivot point S3 1.173, daily pivot point R1 1.1868, daily pivot point R2 1.1894, daily pivot point R3 January 1937. NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.